Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and tools. Install a terminal app like Termux or a native SQL client and grant required storage permissions. Once done, copy or download the database file or store the remote credentials securely. This saves time. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free and a stable network connection. If using local files, enable USB debugging or transfer over Wi-Fi. This gets you to the first actionable state where you can run queries immediately. Next, set up the environment and establish a connection. Install SQLite or MariaDB packages and optional helpers like Python or Node clients to script work. Once installed, import or attach the DB file and run a quick select one to confirm connectivity. This checks everything works. If you connect remotely, store credentials in a N file or the Android key store for safety. Make small test queries to validate schema and indexes before proceeding to heavier operations. Finally, run your queries and finalize the work. Use parameterized statements and limit clauses to protect against heavy load and preserve battery. Once results are correct, export them as CSV or JSON or push changes back to the remote DB via Secure Sync. Make sure to commit transactions explicitly and close connections to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, check app logs, file permissions, and database version mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip is to rerun the simple select one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.